Hey, I'm Sade. So today I'm going to show you how to do some cute finger waves on this short little bob wig from MyFirstWig. So I'm going to show you all the products I use and everything. I do how to do finger waves a little bit. Alright, so today I'm working with a wig from MyFirstWig. So I've used their wigs before. All of their wigs are glueless wigs. They come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. So they're pretty much done. So this is their short little 10-inch wig. It's like a bob, but it's like short on the side. So you can kind of do that little tuck behind your ear thing. Like if you had a short haircut that has like side bangs in the front, and then the rest of it is kind of like a little short and tapered. This is the type of wig that this is. So it already comes with a side part already. Like I said, it's a glueless lace wig. So this is a full lace wig, so that means it's laced throughout the entire wig. It also comes with some combs. It comes with an elastic band because, like I said, this is glueless. Some clips in the back that you can use to put it on. This cute little bob style. But today, since I always get a lot of requests on finger waves on short hair, especially when I had my short hair and I didn't do the video, so I decided since this is a short wig, I'll show you how to do finger waves on this short wig. So some of the products I like to use, like even on my natural hair, I use Lotta Body. So they have the foam and the setting lotion, and I just got this from the regular beauty supply store. So you definitely need some wrap foam when you're doing finger waves. Wrap foam, gel, a loose gel, not like a stiff gel, because that's what's going to hold your finger waves. Also setting lotion, you could use this for roller sets, rod sets, and all that stuff, and it's going to make it firm. So you want your finger waves to be firm or it's just going to fall apart. So if you don't use gel, you can use foam and setting lotion, or you could just use gel and put maybe some setting lotion on it too. Or sometimes, like natural hair, you could just use setting lotion only if the hair is relaxed while it's short. But if not, then you'll have to, like, if it's not relaxed, you have to press it out, then curl it, and then form it into waves. It's a little bit of a different process than having your hair already straight. So since this wig is already straight, this would be perfect to demonstrate some finger waves on it. You want to get you some duck clips. It's from the beauty supply store, or some pin curl clips. This has the inside of it is missing, so you can just slide it right in. So you definitely need these when you're doing finger waves. And you also want to get yourself a comb. This is just a regular, it's really for cutting hair, but this is the type of comb that you would use to do finger waves. When you're doing finger waves, this is the best type of comb to get. So her hair is already molded down, and the cap is on and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So even though this is a glueless wig, I'm going to glue it down, and I'm going to use some Ghost Bond glue, because since this is like a wet style, if it's on doing the glueless method, it might pop up. So if you do this style and you want to do the glueless method, it's best if you do it do it on like a mannequin head, or like a foam head or something like that, a wig head thing, and then put it on your head if you want to do the glueless method. So this is how the wig will look if you don't do anything to it. It's a cute wig. Alright, so number one, you want to start with a wet head. So, like I said, it's almost better to do it on a mannequin head or foam head first. So, because it can get a little bit messy. So, I'm going to part this a little deeper on the side. Remind me of hair school. If you really want to learn how to finger wig, you really need to go to hair school. For real, for real. Because this is something they teach in hair school. So I can't teach you like a full in-depth thing, but I can show you. Don't worry about that later. Once you have that pretty much wet, you want to take your setting lotion and put it on there. Like I said, you can use setting lotion or gel. I'm just going to use setting lotion. But if it's not holding right, I will definitely go and get some gel. Take your foam, put it on. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can finger wave. A lot of people do it according to what's comfortable for them. Some people use 2 combs, some people use 1. Use the bigger side of the comb. You want to comb it into a little, like a little swerve, a little, we call it a C formation. Comb it into a C, because that's how you're going to start. I ain't do finger waves in a long time. So, pull this forward, you hold it. This is how I do it. Now, like I said, you can do it with, it depends, you know, how you learn. Comb that out, make it straight. So we're going to do kind of like bigger ones. So this when your duck clips come into play, because sometimes it sticks up. So put your duck clip there and that holds it down. Sometimes you need to put some more foam on there, throw some more foam on there. Sometimes you need to put some more setting lotion on there, some more gel, throw it on. Whatever's gonna, you know, work for you. So you always want to hold this in between your 2 fingers or these 2 fingers, because that's what's going to give you that ridge. Put another clip. Because this goes back, so I'll stop that right there. We want to make sure that this is clipped down properly. make sure you guys check out MyFirstWig. This was their 10-inch little bob wig that we just customized, did some finger waves with it, but you see you can do either or style. So make sure you check them out. We'll leave some links in the description box. Make sure you let me know if you try finger waves. It's really easier if you learn how to do them in hair school. So if you're a hairstylist, I suggest that you go to hair school to really learn how to do finger waves, or you just really have to like practice if you're not interested in being a hairstylist. But anyway, make sure you leave a question or a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.